This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about thermometers, specifically this black compact digital folding probe thermometer. It's 4.5 inches in length and waterproof as well. It can measure temperature ranges from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, and it quickly displays those temperature readings in just a few seconds, meaning it's easy and quick to use. See there, and you can easily change between Fahrenheit, which we have it on now, or Celsius just by tapping that top button. And it also has a backlight function as well, so you can hit the little light down there if you need a little more light to read it, especially if it's a little dark in your kitchen. And as you can see, when you fold the probe out, it turns it on, and you can turn it off by folding it back. So easy to turn on and off whenever needed. This is perfect for measuring the temperatures of meats, roasts, turkeys, hams, and since it's waterproof, it's also ideal for temping liquids. The case is made of ABS plastic, making it heat resistant and perfect for using while cooking. It's BPA free as well, which is always fantastic. It can be calibrated when needed to maintain its accuracy, so it's perfect for use in busy commercial kitchen environments or just for use at home while cooking.